diagnosed with whooping cough this month alone, and 4029 wanted to know if we should be worried. I sat down with Dr. Rawls in our studios to find out how to protect ourselves. It's news to get you healthier.
Once it's in a school district, these kids ran to each other on a school bus. They talk to the same person. I mean, it spreads pretty rapidly. It's one of the reasons it's a problem.
The health department confirmed 3 cases of whooping cough in the Lincoln School District.
The fact that you've only had 3 here is actually good news.
Dr. Rawls says whooping cough cases are on the rise across the U.S. In 2012, he says 50,000 cases of the virus were reported. That's 4 times what we normally see. Dr. Rawls says that number will probably go up when new data is released.
It's still a bad illness. It makes the kids sick for a while.
But it can be prevented. There's a vaccine available, and most school districts now require it.
So I think it's one of the vaccines you probably ought to get. If you're going to skip one, that's not the one to skip.
He says the vaccine has been around a long time, and prevention is the key to avoiding the virus.